Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So in this video, we are going to explore the daily.dev website and why you should use this website to be up to date with the new technologies and also the future of uh, future. Futures are here. You can say that it's not just technologies like programming or all the things. There are some topics or some uh, posts are here that is very close to the life, like philosophical things you can get here. I'm sure. So, but most of them are just uh, related to programming. You see all the things, data structure and all. But why I'm a few moments ago I just get into a new information. I just get to know the things, and then I found this like this uh, this post just came to me, and I'm very excited to share with you first of all. And then why I want to share this with you, and why you should watch these videos and watch this video and get the information and get to know the information, and then how it could be impact in your life, or it would impact in your life. So first of all, without giving you too much information or too much intro or philosophical things or uh, something, so let's get started with the post. So the post is about you see the original post here. I sold my first SaaS for $50,000. You see, this is the impact of programming. So that's why. So you see that the you can see who is the owner of this post and who posted it, and you see the reputation and longest streak, and you can check it out. You can check this man in every other platform. You can search it, and then you can get the GitHub and other profiles, LinkedIn, so that you can understand that how he reached this level, so but without doing that, we can actually get to know about some of the information or some story of his by reading this post. You see that okay, so just quickly overview the post, and then we will explore other things that we mm, that I get from this post. So that is I sold my fast SaaS icodethis.com. You can check it out by clicking this, and I see that this is very amazing website. You see, this is amazing, and this is the product he sold. And let's go back to the post again, and then so in this post, I'm going to share how it went from idea to building the product. So yes, platform it is, and it is also the product. So how I grew it to 56K members. So 56K members, if they are the paid members, then huge money could be generated. So how much money it generated and the things. So the story of I code this, how I started back in December 2020. I wanted to build a daily coding challenge platform for front-end developer. So there's a couple of other websites that's purpose of doing purposes are same like this, like challenges, like I can say some website like uh, codecamp vd codecamp.com maybe or org. Yes, so there are a couple of websites like uh, Scrimba is one of them, and Scrimba is very great. So whatever, so let's go back to the story again. So the goal was to create real-world challenges that would help devs improve their skills by building something, not just watching endless tutorials. The MVP was simple. I started my sharing post of UI designs on Twitter and asking people to convert them into code. Once I saw the engagement was growing, I knew that the idea was validated, so that I built a basic app that allowed users to log in and post their code to the site. This was I could keep the members on the platform and see how they did. So the initial approach was very mm, great, like philanthropic, you can say. Like I don't know the is it pronounced in the right way, but the initial approach was good. Like just showing them that how they are doing this challenge. Like we are going to be the MVP and like second, third. So over time, I added more and more features on top and shaping it into a full-fledged platform. You see, everything start with simple steps or with tiny things. So growing the platform. So daily content, building Discord community, building in public. So Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, so affiliate marketing. I got some people to promote it by making videos, which helped drive more traffic and signups, and it returned a paid them commission. So eventually, I code this grew to 56K total members with hundreds of people participating daily. So tech stack, front-end development, so Next.js. So I'm using Next.js for maybe mm, um, for 2 or 3 projects, and I think it is really great. So I think I would not get back to the React again, uh, as I see the opportunity and capabilities it gave to me. So styling Telugu CSS, I love this Telugu CSS. So Superbase. I know the Superbase, but I explored it. I tried to learn it, but but yeah, I have to try it again. So mm, as it is SQL based learning, so SQL based platform. So I think I should try this. So and there are so many benefit of using Superbase. So Parcel and Stripe. So there is nothing much challenge here, So revenue. So let's see the business logic. Revenue. The majority of revenue came from one-time payments, totaling 67,000 USD in revenue. Also tried subscription, but they didn't scale well. Peaked at 300 MRR. So uh, one-time payments. Okay, so I went back to focusing on one-time payments as the primary monetization strategy. So using a one-time payment model allowed me to capture a higher lifetime value from each customer, and it also made more sense for the type of product I was offering. So the sale, why and how it happened. So why I sold it. After running I code this for 2 years, I started feeling burned out. I wanted to focus on new projects and felt that someone else could take I code this further than I could. Also having 50,000 K in cash would give me more flexibility for my next ventures. Finding a buyer, I didn't have clear plan to sell it initially, but after posting about my thoughts on Twitter, Buddha Dev reached out with interest last year. We haven't closed a deal at that time because I wasn't ready to sell it. This year, I decided to sell it and reached out to Lance, CEO of Boot.com, again asking if he was still interested. Yes, and after a bit of negotiation, we agreed on 50K dollar. So why 50K? I based the price on mix of revenue potential. So 67K in revenue. So community and user base, brand and SEO value, social promotion. The sale process. The first step was signing an agreement with Boot.dev. We drafted a contract that covered all aspect of the cell. So, so I think I should not read all the things. It's going to be reading materials like reading videos. But what next for me, selling I code this gave me a fresh start. So this happened with me also. Like I am working with this, and I'm kind of burnt out. There is a term called poet block, like writing block. It happened to the writer, but I see that maybe there is also same kind of things for programmers. That is like um, coding block or uh, programming blocks kind of thing. Like as I say that I'm working on this project maybe for 20 days, more than 20 days. Like I'm doing this, uh, like I'm building this project by learning new things. Like first time integrated SSL commerce and also the contracts and all the things, you know, place order and so many things I had to learn for building this project. And then uh, nowadays I don't feel that writing code on this or adding new feature to this. Uh, you know, right now the feature was last week. The feature was from static, from public directory, like the products images. But now I have to use the WooCommerce as in the backend, and um, so I think that's why I think he maintained it 2 years, and that's why I think he wants to uh, get a fresh start again with new ideas. So that's why I think uh, he was thinking about selling it. So whatever the thing is, but my the story was great and very much inspiring. So you can see that what is the price in Bangladesh. So and you can say that it's a huge deal. So to BDT. So let's see dollar dollar to BDT, and it's almost um, so yes, it's a huge money. I think. So you see the rate is rising day by day. You see, this was in so you see the jump of the dollar again. So whatever, the first thing is you have to use daily.dev and you can see lots of articles, post about development related thing. But if you are lucky and if you are not from IT sectors, you can also get many interesting thing here, and who knows, you can um, ended up started learning, ended up thinking about learning new technologies. It can be possible. So, but the thing is, I got two website. I get to know the two website from this post, and that is one is I code this, and let's check it out. What it going to be offered to us. So that is a front end course here. So built with CSS, step-by-step tutorials, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and functional tutorials. So if you go click the view course, so creating panda. So the hello world of JavaScript done. So this is free, and this is the pro course. So if I go to access the course, So by now $14. So that's how they earn money from this site. And also there is a lifetime offer. It's a pro gold, pro platinum. So there is modes also, make me functional, access more, pro challenge, so leaderboard. And you can see the leaderboard here. They are the pros. So yeah, they do this for fun. And also, yeah, this is not just they are doing for learning. You see, this is not a pro member, but is doing great. And you see the mm, challenges completed. So this is very good. There are some other website that is kind of same kind of thing you can do. So whatever the thing is, self-learning, challenges completed, total likes. So backend course. So if you click on the backend course, you will be bring to the new website, that is backend boot.dev, where the previous website was sold out. You can say, you can see there are lots of courses available here, and this website is also amazing. So I think I will use this two new website for my learning. So yeah, quest available. You can accept a new quest and the join community. So accept and earn. So let's see. Okay, so earn with the trend is the unlock a common chest. So whatever the thing is, uh, whatever. So I think I will explore this learn go for developers. I will check it out. So yeah, let's see, just run the first Go programming. Though I use Go to build REST API using AI, and yeah, I used Go for building REST API using AI, and then connected with the Remix, React framework, and built a online shopping like fashion uh, platform where the products I can add the products using the admin panel, and the REST API will be updated. So it can handle the delete, update, you know. So, but I didn't actually run the Hello World in Go, maybe. So this is the first time. So I think I can use this platform to uh, level up my uh, technical skill, or like programming skill. So this is great. You see that the documentation is very amazing, and the interface, you see, this is like a fancy game interface, and all the things. You can see the label, no role. This is very. Uh, let's go back to the initial page. If we go back to the uh, this, so first of all, I don't want to. Uh, how can I go back to the initial page? So for that, I got this. Mm, so for that, I have to go back, go again. I have to visit again the. I got this, and then what? Okay, yes, backend. I forgot, totally forgot that. But okay, actually, I have to log out first, so that yes, this is the initial page. So demo the course. You see, this website is very amazing. Initial approach or initial mm, ex, uh, ex, expression is not good. You see, it's very old type of things you can get, but if you deep down, uh, if you like explore, then you can see that you can find it out that this is very amazing website. You see, solution, become a member to view solution. To be able to view solution, you have to be a member to this website. So I think this is it. Like my initial approach or initial thoughts was to share this with you guys, and then I think you will be get the idea that how much money you can be generated with your programming skill and your development skill as well. So, and you see the website. This website is uh, very simple website. Just you need to maintain the database, connect the database with front end, and maintain all the things and offer something to the audience or the consumer or your target audience, and that's it. So mm, start coding, and you can, I think you can code here as well, like the this website. So if you become a member, so this is locked. I think stacks C basics. So if you go this I can be submit this. Okay, the interpretation problem here arise. So whatever. So this is all about the this video. Like uh, you can learn programming and like web development, app development, Flutter, React Native, whatever. But ultimately have to uh, you have to make an idea or turn an idea to a product so that you can sell it or you can make money out of it. So that is the thing. So but ultimately the thing you see, the initial approach was just for fun or just for exploration. He made that, uh, and then he started adding new features into that, and then eventually it becomes a product. So becomes a product, and he sold it out. So best wishes for all of you guys, and uh, this is all about uh, for this video, and I will come up with another video another day. Till then, best wishes for you, and till then, enjoy your life and keep learning. So that's it. Bye bye.